There's no getting over, no getting over, just no getting over you.
Wish I could spin my world into reverse just to have you back again. There's no getting over, there's no getting over, there's just no getting over you. No, no.
Bring it back.
Hey, I can't forget you, baby. I think about your 8-day. I tried to masquerade the pain. That's why I'm next to the roof. Dancing to the groove. But there is no. Baby, it feels so to dance to the beat of.
Hey guys, I'm here to show Mr. Pleco's mouse keys. As you can tell, I broke my arm from the video that I will show in a minute, or have already shown. I'm recording this live right now. I'm just going to show you how to use, how Mr. Pleco's mouse keys have really helped me, seeing as I can only use one hand, which is my left hand, which isn't exactly my good hand. So I do a slow one, which I've set my mouse keys up, and if you do download mouse keys, you will find out how to use them. So I'll do it quite slow. Bearing in mind I do have to move the mouse a little bit myself, because otherwise it will interfere with Jagex's macro protective system. So just do that. Easy as that. And that was quite slow, and that would be the normal speed you'd do it just using your mouse. But also it is very helpful, especially for those who are, have a disability, or like me, broken your arm or something, just incapable to do it. So now I'll do it at full speed, like that. Like that. Easy. Also, it is very, very helpful for me, and I give 100% regards to Mr. Pleco for these amazing mouse keys, and Jagex, I hope you allow them